To use an application, you need to install the set of files on your device. But I have a question. Does it even possible to have an application on our device without installing it? The answer is yes. We can use the portable versions of the apps. In this video, we will learn how to create portable versions of different applications, copy it on our external storage, and use it anywhere. So keep watching. At first, you need to go to Enigma Protector website, find the Downloads tab. You need to download Enigma VirtualBox. Okay, the app is downloaded. I double click on it. Next, accept the agreements. If you want to launch the app, you can enable this checkbox, or you can disable I enable it and hit on the finish. The app is installed. You need to open it. At the first one, you need to choose the program location that you want to create a portable version of that. For example, I'm going to create a portable version of this app, which is called Everything, and I need to go to the properties of that. As you can see, the target or the file location is in here. Here, go to the browse. Okay, the app is on the C drive, program files, in here, everything. Okay, choose the .exe file or .exe file and click on the open. At the output, I choose desktop for the output of my file, and in here you need to press on add folder recursive. Again, you need to go to the program file location on the C drive, program files, everything. You need to just choose the folder of that, not the .exe file. Press on OK. Don't change anything and press on the OK. And in here you need to press on the process, wait until the portable version is done. Okay, if you press on the run, the app it will run. If you press on the close, the app it will be closed. Right now you have a portable version app. You can easily copy it into an external storage and use it anywhere that you want. As you can see, this is our portable version. This one is installed version of this app. If this content helps you, don't forget to press the like button. If you have any question, type it in the comment section. I will answer your questions, and you can also watch the other video that I published.